Hi there, I'm Rahul Jain from the Cody Labs team. So today I'm going to talk about recent innovation that we have done. So as we all have experienced, Salesforce projects can be complex. We at Cody Labs understand that as well firsthand. That's why we are excited to develop a tool called User Journey Map Builder, which is definitely inspired by our own experiences in delivering successful Salesforce solutions. Well, creating clear and concise user journeys is crucial for any Salesforce project. And it also helps us visualize our customers' experience, identify potential roadblocks, but traditional methods can be time consuming and cumbersome. That's where User Journey Map Builder comes in, and it's a revolutionary tool built by the Cody Labs. Let's dive into a quick demo.
Search for the Journey Maps tab using the App Launcher. Create new Journey Map record by clicking New, and provide name, persona, and Journey Map scenario field values. Go to Related List. Create Journey Map phases by clicking New. Fill the phase name, user actions, touchpoints, emotions, etc. values for each respective phase record. Similarly, after entering all the phases of Journey Map, the list will look like this. Ensure that the order of display is correctly set up. Navigate back to the record page. Notice that the intuitive and user-friendly Journey Map document displays in a default pink color. Journey Map document component supports different color palettes to apply. Choose another color palettes and notice the changes on the record page.
All right. So if you want to learn more about this innovation, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. Have a great day. Bye bye.